The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is TV powered by All Sports Betting. It is good times. CEO dozere iqela Mamelodi Sundowns lapho umile ngamanqaku amathathu eqandeni libetha iqela le Richards Bay. Loo nto ithetha into yoba ke iMamelodi Sundowns inesandla esinye kwindebe yeBetway Premiership iphumelele kasixhenxe okanye kasibhozo amatyeli elandelelana. Okokuqala ezimbalini zomzantsi Afrika kweli xesha ke silibiza into yoba yi-PSL era. iMamelodi Sundowns yasondela ngokusondela ke ngokuna inkxalabo ke into yoba lento iyenzayo iSundowns yomane ibambi league le record kwayona iSundowns mhlamba ayinoze ikwazi iphinde ilophule kunzima ukuphumelela ileague isithaba selizwe ityeli lokuqala elesibini elesithathu elesine elesihlanu lilandelelana ungazama mhlambe kathathu iqhawulwe bakhule baguga abadlali uzame mhlambe kabini iqhawulwe bamka abaqeqeshi kwatsha kwacima kodwa ngoku iyasondela iSundowns kwityeli lesibhozo kusithaba loo nto ithetha into yoba mhlawumbi singafika ko-2050 no-2060 no-2070 iminyaka le ilandelelana lingakhange liqhawulwe irekhodi lento yoba umntu aphumelele kasibhozo ngokulandelelana kodwa ke sawuqhwaba izandla ngoba ke into esingazange sayibona leyo Bobzin umhlalutyi wethu ubone njani umdlalo ndoda?
Yeah, Kulego, before ngibulisa, but you make sure ukuthi uShane ezwe ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngesibhozo ukhuluma ngani. Yabona mase ukhuluma ngesixhosa. Ufuna ukuthi ezwe kahle uShane.
Shane. Kawuzosincedisa mntanami man. Hey. Kawuzosincedisa mhlawumbe uzayicacisa ngcono. Uba ingaba idawana eli isandla sinye sibambe ku-trophy okanye uncamile namhlanje njengoba libethiwe?
Mabayincame, not today. Mabayincame. I mean, they had a chance. I mean, this was their best chance because yazi xa seku situation nje you have to count the fact that Sundowns bazadlala finally CAF Champions League. I can tell you now, even though I don't understand babacinga nePlayers Sundowns, but 70% engqondo zabo bacinga ngeCAF Champions League. And then when as Orlando Pirates, you should capitalize on that because Sundowns dlala first leg with Champions League under 24. Sundowns surely will play a game midweek because in between. So Lando, you should count ukuthi okay, as a game that before if I Champions League, it might work in our favor. But if you're gonna lose the games also, but then there's nothing that you deserve. No, it's over.
All right. Thank you so much. Bobzin.
Yeah, no, ithi ngibulise Mr. Nke, ngibulise uJusto.
Yes sir.
Ngibulise noShane, ngithi Butso noLindo no Junior.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yeah, no, Kulego, I think
isantwana yenu ungakuphazamisanga uKeleso Makgalwa. So, i-secret agent yenu yobetha iPirates ngaba bayinika man of the match. Uphume ezandleni zenu uyobetha iPirates ngaba.
You know, it's good when Sundowns release those players bahambe bayodlala kwamanye ama team because if Sundowns yabagcina bonakala ngathi abafuni ukuthi bahambe bayodlala labafana, but it's good ukubona boMakgalwa benza kahle kakhulu Kulego.
Junior uye Korele Makgalwa?
No, uChibabwe.
Okay, mara uMakgalwa man of the match. There you go.
Yeah, no.
Man of the match.
Yeah, no, it's good Kulego. Yeah, Kulego, I think Sundowns they know how to play under pressure. Mawungabheka manje Sundowns kulama game asela. I think sekusela ama game awu5, bekusela ama game awu6 ngale. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ba understand ukudlala under pressure abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns. Bake baba khona la kule situation whereby kumele ukuthi ba fight kulama game afana nalawo. I remember boma 2018-2019 whereby they selling ama relegation teams. The team A1 it was cheaper playing for top 8 but they did well, managed to win 6 games 18 points. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi iSundowns njenga namhlanje ayizange iundermine licembe lifana neRichards Bay. If ungabheka ilineup eSundowns iyakutshela ukuthi they want to win. Ama changes abekhona uma ungabheka lapho nalapho sibona Onyango ubuyile namhlanje but akusilula ukuthi ungachange abadlali abafana nabo Alende
uMalibongo simbonile naye back.
uMalibongo simbonile afika namhlanje lapha kuleya center back. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mina Nkululeko iSundowns iya understand ukuthi labadlali ukuthi manje la kule stage sikuso yonke igame esidlalayo it's a cup final. Kumele si make sure ukuthi siyawina wonke amagame asele so that sikwazi ukurepa le league, you understand. So I think badlale kahle kakhulu, sibonile 4-3-3 namhlanje sisebenzela la khona add number up front uma ngabe iSundowns inebhola la khona sibona kuno Matthews kunomdlalo ofana no Reiners ukuthi uSales ngene umdlalo ofana no Ribeiro.
You guys were positive actually.
Yeah,
you had a lot of attackers today.
Yeah, because Sundowns dominated kakhulu, but ngifuna uqala ngeRichards Bay kahle because ngibona iRichards Bay is the velo. Okay, you know Nkululeko ukuthi when you play against the Sundowns, the big team like the Chiefs and Pirates, you make sure ukuthi sometimes awumani ufike nje uzofika ufuna attack
You
a
make
team
yourself
nje, you
difficult.
understand? Yeah. So sibona
You remember last season as well, the way that they were so difficult against the Sundowns.
I think swina ngama 1-0
Yeah,
last season.
last
And it was difficult for iSundowns kulawa ma game ungakhumbula kahle.
Yeah.
So namhlanje uma ungathi uyabheka bebadlala i-mid block but indlela yoku-attack abanayo Nkululeko. Siyambona umdlalo ofana noMbuduma lapha. But indlela yoku-attack mina ngihlala ngisho ukuthi if mhlawumbe ufuna ukudlala i-mid block or ufuna ukudlala i-low block Nkululeko awube nendlela yokuthi uyophuma kanjani uma ubamba ibhola. Richards Bay they fail to play ama-touches. Always ibhola madlala 2-3 touches. Ubonile nje first 10-15 minutes beba lose ibhola la ungacabanga ukuthi Richards Bay ingaluze ibhola. So kwangathi beba ne-fear for iMamelodi Sundowns. Ngiyacabanga dewe badlale ngakhona uma ungabheka umdlalo ofana nomthethwa in the middle noZikhali bebangakhona ukudlala because kuno Tebza kuno Alende la khona sibona uyabuya uSales uzodropa to assist labo badlala abafana nabo Tebza beba wina wonke amabhola because simbonile uXakusana ngazi ukuthi mhlawumbe uthola inoko kanjani begcina bamkhipha. Then ubheka emuva la khona sibona uMabuye kule center back. Then unomgcineko ucaptain ngapha uAllen bheka amagoli eSundowns. I think konke avela kule side yaka Allen uma ungabheka goal number 1 la khona uTebza thatha ibhola
was supposed to be the right back of
the right back, yes, uAllen uyomdlalo beyadlala right back nale goal esiyibona uReiners ayolichipa ngenhloko i-center back umgcineka lapha ku-center back naye uAllen poor defending because uReiners limtholele umuntu azimele just was it's a free header but walithatha elenzani ungamsola ugoalkeeper bengasilula for lela bhola Nkululeko. Then ubheke goal number 3 la khona umdlalo ofana no Alende ayophuma khona kuleya play ayidlale lapha up front. I think uReiners uyambona ukuthi kule side la kaAllen so poor defensive kule center back. Bengicabanga ukuthi umgcineka umdlali engimthembayo nami ukuthi angenza kahle kakhulu njengoba ngimazi ukuthi uyidefender right umgcineka but today ababonisanga Nkululeko ukuthi abadlali ngathi mhlawumbe bayayifuna le game ukuyiwina. Yes,
but there is a reality of when you're playing, it's like in any sport. When you're about to race against Usain Bolt, maybe the best you can do is to be number 2, 100-meter sprint.
Yeah.
When you're fighting against Mike Tyson, for example, I will use a boxer that everyone knows, Mike Tyson. You know that the best you can do maybe is make yourself difficult in his prime, or any other sport. If you Formula 1 against Max Verstappen or Lewis Hamilton back in the day, you know that maybe the best you can do is number 2. I get what you're saying, that give us something as Richards Bay. And I think Lindo was repeating the same thing. Give us a game, give us something. But there is a reality to PSL where there's a reason why number 1, number 1, number 13, number 13.
Yeah.
It's the gap in the quality.
Yeah.
And sometimes we're supposed to see Ipares is Shaila Imagesi. Sometimes. Sometimes we're supposed to see Sundowns is Shaila Richards Bay. Not to good Abazami, but because there's a clear gap in quality. Yes, they can do better. They tried. Last year they tried.
Yeah.
They made it difficult. You guys scored. I think Mendieta scored last-minute goal or something like that.
Tough, yes.
In one of the games that you played against them. But I mean, if you play against a quality side long enough, you will lose most of the time. So I can kind of understand that they were always going to lose this game.
Yeah, but Nkululeko ake ufane nabo magesi sometimes la khona uba i-threat kula macembe amakhulu. Kunala kumele ukuthi ubalande labadlali ungabasabi. Okay, siyambona ukhoza unokekane. Wayesekabona bombuduma basinikeza lento. Unfortunately ngibona abadlali abafana nabo Figueiredo abekho namhlanje. I think injury because beyangekho naku squad sisanamhlanje. Then sibona uThato mhlawumbe I don't know ukuthi inkinga yini ngimbona sebenchini. Ngomunye umdlalo one-energy intwana kaTso. It's not because of umsebenza noTsola, but mangabe uyibukela Richards Bay uzokhona ukuyibona le yantwana ukuthi ine energy and bekaloku akora. So uzozibuza ukuthi mhlawumbe why abadlali abafana nalaba ungababoni today la khona bazokunikeza something because siyambona amaqhubu most of the time uqhamuka ngamasapha akabanikeza inicks. Yes ngayivuma lento. Umdlalo namhlanje bengimbona ukuthi ngathi ufuna ukusinikeza inkinga. Ilentwana uGumede just number 17 lo bekadlala kulela side la. I think he did well lentwana because ungambheka beka comfortable ebholweni. Bekakhona ukuthi afuna ukuthatha umdlalo ofana nobani Nowarra nge1v1. Una something ukuthi okay mina ngayiletha kunama box awalethile.
Our director is panicking, Justice. We might be running out of time. I have to ask you about the title. Tonight felt like a very important night in relation to the title.
Yeah, ngifuna ukuba honest Nkululeko. You remember sikutshela ukuthi ileague
it was a long time ago.
Yeah,
that was before Royal AM.
But after Royal AM kube nalento nje ukuthi
maybe it's still
if
on.
Anything coming ngenzeka Sundowns i-throw because now i-Sundowns njengoba uwine namhlanje igap iyavuleka because besibona igap mangabe iPirates izowina le 2 games yabo sibona ngathi izoba ne 3 points but now even bangawina lama game kuyoba i6 point and uma kuba i6 point namhlanje iSundowns ikorile ku 18 goals i-add 3 is 21 kule 21 nje ukuthi uma ngabe draw another game and lose one kumele iPirates ikore more than that and asazi ukuthi yoba iwina ngama-goal angaka semara give credit to Mamelodi Sundowns coach Cardoso the technical team I think they did well kuleko if utholi team efana nabo Richards Bay kumele ubonise ukuthi you want to play abo sales beka ama 30 man run abawenza abo sales uyabona ukuthi kuna something abanayo so abanye abantu mhlambe bangayithatha ngalendlela mhlambe sithatha ngayo but I think badlale kahle kakhulu abo Tebza ukubona ucoach Cardoso ayenza lawo changes anikeza abadlali igame time abo Mashihu badlala abafana nabo abo Thembazwane ngiyacabanga ukuthi ku right kakhulu ukubona umkhulisi ubonile umafika umkhulisi umanage game ilento esiyidingayo if uqhamuka as a sub sinikeza something wafika wamanage game akuzange kubenzima for abadlali beSundowns abanye bakhona ukuspara leso stamina Nkululeko give credit ukubokhoza but kunamanye ama mistake ukhoza wayenzayo ungacommit amanye ama foul ubheke ukuthi ukuphi ukhoza I know ukuthi it's a good defender but amanye ama foul ngibona wayenza la uzothola abadlali abagood ngama set piece bazokuphanisha and at the end of the day siyokhala ngawo lama foul esiwayenzile kulela box so but overall Nkululeko congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns I think they deserve le win namhlanje.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much to Bobo. That's it. That's really it. Really, if you think about it, there was no expectation from all of us tonight about whether or not there will be a shift or a movement in the title picture. But really, it kind of does feel like we would be forcing the issue a title race if we talk about it any further than tonight. Because really, unless Sundowns drops 3 matches in a row, it does seem or feel or smell like it is all but over. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns as always. They've been gigantic in this era. Like Lindo said, they're the best Premier Soccer League team in the history of the PSL. And that's true. Like, you have to just go and check the league titles and you'll see that they are the best. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, World Sports Betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.